Samsung is collaborating with Instagram to provide a new feature on the S24 lineup. The leaked picture shows that Galaxy S24 users may use the Instagram camera right from the lock screen. While the specifics of how this feature will work are unknown, it is fair to assume that we will be able to use the Instagram camera without completely unlocking our phones, allowing us to publish fresh photos or share stories more quickly. This is not the first time Samsung has worked with Instagram. They included a separate Instagram mode in the native camera app in the Galaxy S10, allowing users to immediately submit stories. Dummy units of the S24 lineup have been leaked, offering a near approximation of what we may anticipate from the lineup. We previously knew that the frame of the standard S24 is becoming flat, similar to the iPhone 14 and even Samsung's own Z Fold 5, and this is the case here. In comparison to the S23 Ultra, the S24 Ultra seems boxier and sharper. Look at this chart comparing the GPU power of the most recent chipsets. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which will be included in the S24 lineup, not only surpasses the Apple M1 chip used in Apple laptops, but it also consumes less power. What's more, the scores of Apple's most recent processor, the A16 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, can't even be compared to the 8 Gen 3. That's how far behind it is. It's astonishing to see what Qualcomm has accomplished in only a few years. If you don't want to wait for the S24 Ultra, Samsung is offering a flat, no-strings-attached 25% discount on the S23 Ultra and the Z Fold 5 if you purchase them via their app shop Samsung. They are also offering increased trade-ins, storage enhancements, and a $25 bonus discount. You can get the S23 Ultra for $75 if you trade in your S22 Ultra. The phone will feature a titanium frame and a peak brightness of 2500 nits. It's also reported that the present periscope camera will be replaced with a 48MP telephoto unit with 5x zoom. In any case, the design of the upcoming 23 Ultra may vary somewhat. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.